Introducing the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.